So this is what to do if you discover that a token is missing on your Trust wallet after swap. This is exactly what to do. Or you just woke up and discover that your token is missing. This is what to do. All right, like and subscribe and continue with the video.
Do you also want to have great testimonials like so many persons who have watched my videos, keep having and keep sending every single time, talking about recovered fund, money online, and so many stuff like that? So you want to be sure that you're actually subscribed to my channel, enable the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see this video. So here is my wallet and the token is missing after swap, and this is what I'm gonna do, and I advise you to do the same. Click on the smart chain address, click on receiver, copy the address, then go to your browser and search BscScan, search BscScan.com. all right, so now paste that smart chain address that you copied in the BscScan. Now scroll all the way up. Now this particular section of BscScan display all the token on your wallet. Okay, this particular section displays all the tokens on your wallet. So here, this section right here where you see you can see the wallet icon right there. If you tap on it, it will show you all the cryptos on your wallet and the value of your entire wallet, right? So if I scroll all the way up, so it will show me all the token on my wallet. You can see BNB, Ethereum, Genesis Finance, BNB Money Finance. The rest, I did not know how the rest came about. Maybe as you swap tokens, some tokens begin to come into your wallet. Okay, so but this platform, this section is a bit glitchy sometimes. So you could, from the other section, you could just tap here that there are about 10 tokens existing on this wallet. You have to, what you need to do is to tap this drop down right here. When I tap on the drop down, so this is actually the token I'm looking for right here, so I'm going to have to tap on it. All right, so if yours is not in the first list, you have to scroll all the way down there. You have to scroll all the way down to the bottom to define the one you're looking for. Okay, so for me, I have to tap on this particular one right here and then copy the contract ID, then go over to that same Trust wallet. When I get there, I have to import that token, and I'll go to this section of my Trust wallet right here, click on it, and then when I click on there, I tap on that plus sign right there, paste the token right there. No, this wallet is actually imported on smart chain, so it's actually smart chain, so the same thing applies to other network. I have to click done. So if you're using a multi-coin wallet, you have to choose the particular network. So and boom, that's my token right there. It has just reflected back in my wallet. So if your own case is different from this, you can send me an email or send me an Instagram DM explaining it, and then we'll see how we can sort it out. All right, so like and subscribe to my channel for more hacks like this. So for those of you who did the same thing and discover that you have zero network, all right, hit zero token right here and the balance is showing zero. Okay, there are some tokens that are actually dead after swap. So like, let's say this one here, I don't know, someone sent it to me, and then I don't know what the person was planning to do, to say that he has BUSD to recover, but I discovered that it's not BUSD but it's BUSSD. So some token like that may be dead token, so they are not yet verified on CoinMarketCap for it to reflect on Trust wallet, because Trust wallet gets data from CoinMarketCap as at the time I'm making this video. Then if you just woke up and discover that all the coins were transferred, like if you scroll after pasting the address, you will see all the recent transactions. It will be written here the time and the day that they were all done. So you see that they've been transferred. Just know that that wallet has been infiltrated, and then what you need to do is to abandon the wallet and open a completely new wallet, and be careful of the fishy site you go of sites you visit or people you share your recovery phrase with. So that's just it.